We all remember where we were on 9/11. Michael O'Donnell was in New York to see a friend and fellow bond trader who worked on the 104th floor of Tower 1. The attack would unfold before O'Donnell could get there, and his friend, sadly, would perish that day. Like millions of Americans, the cowardly attack on our nation motivated Michael to do something, so he enlisted in the Navy Reserve and ultimately deployed to both Iraq and Afghanistan to defend our freedoms. Today, Michael still serves in the Navy Reserve, and after a career of more than 30 years as a fixed-income securities trader, trading municipal, U.S. government, U.S. agency, corporates, foreign, convertibles, and zero-coupon bonds, he started this channel to show investors how easy and powerful bond investing can be. We hope you'll join him on your bond investing journey as he shares his more than 3 decades of experience in the hope of making you more confident in your bond investing. Please subscribe today.